Claude Code is not coming for video editors because you can't see what's happening on the timeline. But this app up here called ZippyClip is coming for video editors. Now, before you get upset, video editors can just use this to do their edits. Their professional edits, the ones they charge $600 and upwards for, to basically do the work for them. Now, it's not free, so it's not like the average user is going to actually pay and do this. So video editors can actually start using this tool called ZippyClip. Let me demonstrate it for you right now. I just dropped a video onto the timeline. So the first thing it does, it gets the transcription. The next thing it does is it tells you what edits do you want. So you can either type here, you can say, hey, listen, add some sound effects, add color grading, but I'm not going to waste my time doing that. I'm just going to click this one-click button over here and let it do all of the work for me. Check this out. This is crazy. This is the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life. You just click on that and watch what happens. One-click pro editor, full premium edit of the whole video. Check out all of these skills that are being used, literally like 20 skills. I'm not even going to read them. We've got visual effects, audio mastering, sound effects, animated zoom, aspect ratio, frame snapshot, subtitles, speed ramp, transitions, object tracking, subtitles, multi-action, B-roll maker, AI video maker, flux image, and hyperframes. And basically what you're about to see is it's going to do all the work. So it's transformed into a premium vertical masterpiece, mastered audio, cinematic color grading. And now what you can see, look at this craziness. It looks like a freaking casino. It looks like an arcade. Basically, you can see it's creating all of the different overlays, the cinematic overlays for the video. And once it's done with that, it's going to actually show you each one and place it on the timeline. You can extend it, remove it. You can edit the subtitles. You could do whatever you want. Now, it gets better than this. You can actually automate the whole thing. There's an automate button at the top, and you can click on new automation. And then you can automate by dropping into a folder on your computer, which in turn you can link to Google Drive. And that way you can film on your phone and drop and then let this whole thing happen by itself. And it just gets better. It literally publishes to all of your channels. So if you have all of these are all my channels. So if I can click on all the channels I want this video published to, and it will literally publish to all of these channels in one go. Yes, it's really that good. Now check out these effects. They're actually going to be dropped onto the timeline. I kind of moved away from the timeline, but you can still see what's happening. Now, if you have multiple channel groups, like multiple businesses, like music channels, or perhaps like this channel, or Facebook channels, if you have different groups of channels, different businesses, you can create automations for each one and select different folders for each one. So here's another hyperframes effect that's being added on top of this video. You can see it being dropped on the timeline. Check this out right in front of you right now. Another audio effect, because this video that I made was talking about the audio effect that this app has inside it. Now, if you go to File and Preferences, you can actually see all the sound effects over here, and you can choose the sound effects that you want. You can actually replace them if you have better audio. Let me show you some examples. Hey. Basically, that's the bleep, but we have some applause. You can literally make this yours, make this your own. You can add more sound effects. You can add your own sound effects. So if you're already an editor, definitely give this a try. It's completely free to try. No credit card details, nothing. You just literally add your own sound effects, and the AI will have the ability to use them in your edit. So you can choose the volume of the sound effects. Perhaps 30% could be better. Everyone has their own preferences. So as you can see, this is the hyperframes effect that was just created. It's being added to the video over here. You can extend it. And here is me probably talking about it being able to share and to all of your channels. So you can see the cinematic color grading that's been added, and the voice mastering, by the way. It actually fixes the sound voice mastering to make sure that your voice sounds perfect in the edit. And over here I was probably talking about how much money you can make if you get more views, because your videos are more viral. So if your videos are not getting enough views, this could help you actually a lot. It's actually helping me. I made a video about it not long ago. So let's look at the timeline. You can see all of these things that have been done. Let's download the video. So check this out. Let's download this so we can watch it together, and that way we can see what was made from this cinematic edit. You can actually watch it over here as well, but it's a bit of a small timeline, so I'm going to open the actual file so we can see the full effects in live. So check out this edit. Thanks to this unbelievable... We've all heard that AI can edit your videos, but adding sound effects is only available now thanks to this unbelievable AI video editor. Basically, it allows you to add your own sound effect, but comes included with 41 unbelievable sound effects. Like, check this one out. So the focus is on a luxury, high quality, elegant, high value edit. And the best part is once you've finished and you're really confident with the system, you're confident with chatting to the AI and making sure that he produces videos of the quality, and you trust the AI enough, the next step is to move to the automate functionality, and you can create a new automation. And when you look over here, some of the things you can do over here are absolutely insane. Let me show you. You could literally add your brand assets, like your logo, images, screenshots into here, and they will be used in the actual edit. You can also do that through the chat functionality over here. You have the attach images, and it will use it in every edit that you give the images to the AI. And then check out one more thing. You can literally create shorts, automatically create shorts, and then it will post those shorts as well as your long video. You can also only post shorts and not post the full video if you want. That you can create one short, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want from one video. And you actually have the ability to create a music video from an audio file, MP3, like from Suno. If I switch this on, you can choose how much of the song you want to have the music video part. Like, for example, some Suno songs are like 10 minutes long. So if you only want, let's say, 1 minute of the song to have music video to save on API fees, and for each scene length, I recommend putting 5 here so that there's a lot of different scenes. And then you choose a reference image, like a photo of somebody that's going to be the singer in the song. And every time you drop a file and you click on this automation, you just click on that automation, it will literally edit the video according to this preset prompt, and it will publish to the relevant channel. So for example, for my music, I'll show you. I have a music automation. It's called Suno. Automate Suno video. Check this out. It literally is able to publish, and it creates a thumbnail for YouTube. And it literally, if I wanted to, I could actually switch on the make a video from audio, which is make a music video. I could switch that on and make a music video each time I drop a video. I'm actually going to do that over here. I'm going to make every video I drop, every Suno song I drop into this, I want it to have a 30-second music video. So let's do that right now. I'm actually going to do that right now, right in front of you. So make video from audio. So I want it to be 30 seconds long, and each scene will be 5 seconds. That's a total of 6 scenes. And then a reference image, I can choose anything. Here we go. I just choose a picture of myself, so I'll be the singer of all the songs. Then I can make sure it saves to my computer and then save, and that's it. Now the next time I put a Suno song here, it will run this automation. And actually, it's being watched on a certain folder on my computer. Let me just show you that quickly, and then I have to go. I've finished working for the day. If I go to videos, I have folders here that are being watched by Google Drive. So anytime I download an MP3 onto my phone and drop it into this folder here, new Suno song, it will get processed by this automation automatically and then be published to all my music channels. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.